Join me as I put the Arlo Floodlight Camera to the test and see if it can really keep my home safe from intruders. The Arlo Floodlight Camera is one of the most innovative solutions for home security out there, and I'm excited to share its unique features with you. This camera is designed to provide an additional layer of protection for your home, and its impressive specs make it worth discussing. Home security is a major concern for many of us, and for good reason. Burglary rates are alarmingly high, and traditional security systems often fall short. Many of us have heard of cases where homes were broken into, and the owners were left with significant losses. It's a scary thought, and one that can keep you up at night. Traditional security systems can be expensive and often require complicated installation. Some of them also require a constant internet connection to function, which can be a problem if your internet is down. What's more, many traditional security cameras have limited features, such as low resolution or short night vision capabilities. The limitations of traditional security systems are frustrating, and that's where the Arlo Floodlight Camera comes in. Its powerful floodlight can illuminate even the darkest areas, making it perfect for outdoor use. The camera also features night vision, so you can see clearly even in low light conditions. Motion detection is another key feature of the Arlo Floodlight Camera. It can detect even the slightest movement, sending you alerts and allowing you to take action. I've seen user testimonials that showcase the effectiveness of this camera, and I'm impressed. One user shared a story of how the camera helped them catch a package thief. The Arlo Floodlight Camera has been a game changer for many homeowners. Imagine coming home to find that someone had tried to break in, but the camera's bright light and clear footage helped you identify the culprit. That's exactly what happened to one homeowner who installed the Arlo Floodlight Camera. The homeowner had been worried about the rising burglary rates in their neighborhood, but after installing the camera, they felt much safer. The camera's motion detection feature alerted them to the attempted break-in, and they were able to review the footage to see what had happened. Thanks to the Arlo Floodlight Camera, the homeowner was able to provide the footage to the police, and they were able to catch the culprit. It's a great example of how this camera can enhance home security. The Arlo Floodlight Camera is an impressive device that offers a range of features to enhance your home security. Its powerful floodlight, night vision, and motion detection capabilities make it a top-notch choice. If you have any thoughts on home security, I'd love to hear them in the comments. If you're interested in learning more about security products or tips, be sure to check out my next video on related topics.